Caterers, yeah, one more share a government school feeding program no asia wa Asante no and nay a school for basic school no kwajuma then so one man wedriane amfa ma wo ni nyina ne se one mo here ntumu ewo wonsika yedema wo no and afa last term no so abai de one mo ka enya de so watuade ama wo mo ntina na boachi yi adom eye adwuma wo love fm abo apra akọ etwa so
Wada ena school feeding caterers a wonum ewa Asante mu eye oyechira no wo chire mu se wonum adwuma wo ye yi ewo tetem ni mu no nyade se wodi won sika ama wonum sanse de to aban ni mu se empeso ano edwokron nso a wotua ema akoda bia no wontum enko ga na sika no miensa oto aso de wonum nkrata wodi won sa hyase no ekoma Asante mu so afosi mo no se mensa na isanse agina ya caterers no esi yenti no ade chen benada no Love News amaniboni ekobonto ewo schools ahodo bi mu na wo call State Boys and Girls MA Basic School, Mamponting Basic School, NMRC Basic School no okohunu se nya de se adesuafo no amo wonu maduane. Regina Osaya Santoa eye checheni ewo State MA Basic School. Odi to just say nya ekoso no ya de bi e hardwene pa.
For us here, our children, their problem is most of them come to school without money. So when they come after 10 a.m., you see that most of them will start sleeping. Some of them will be feeling weak. When you ask them, they say they are hungry. So the feeding helps them a lot. And we, the teachers, it helps us to teach them well, because if a child is hungry, she or he will not concentrate on whatever you are doing. So it helps them in that way. So what I would say is we will plead with the government to continue feeding the children for us.
Ajara eye matron ewo State MA Basic School. Ono so di to just say ade ayekoso no ha adesuafo no.
Aban. Yesrewa, yesrewa. School feeding no boy pa na nkwala no mo hu chiro mo. Kola no mo hu chiro mo. Mbata ye nyina na ebenye sika. Ade amaye kola ate mo nkodi ni school. Ti say ya bia school dada. Nkola ye nya duane, omo nya duane, omo nya duane, omo nya duane. Ebi wa wuti wa kwa na akola ya boss ma. Me pa cha wun soja ekwam de. Na ya asempi. Nso nya ye sika sem. Ye katua ma. Duma ya basa, edwom kura ye ntimi nko. We say yakọ firifiri na ma ne saa wodwom aba sisi a ya makwan sika ankotua ya sakwa eto so me sa so onfa maye say yakọ dwom kura ni e tartale baby ni yakọ ya yakọ deka yesraw eri nyame di sra boa ye